Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain you the how average and average function works. So here we have the days from the January 1st till 31st of December, so 365 days, and the temperature for every day, and we have months, first to 12 months, from 1 to 12. So average, so we want to know the average temperature for a whole year. So here we will use average function. Average function is very simple. You will write average, and it is a list of numbers from, so we want to know the temperature for a whole year, so we will select from the January 1st till 31st of December. So that will give our average temperature for a whole year. So that's the 7.24. So in another case we want to know what is the average temperature for each month. So here helps not average but average if function will be more useful and helpful. Average if arguments will be the range we will search from the column A. So what we're going to search, we will search month, so criteria will be the months. And average if we want to know the temperature for the first month, so that will be the average range for will be the column C. So that's it. Copy paste the formulas to the end. So from the January it is colder and it becomes warmer, and then it gets colder as per a temperature table. So that's it, guys. So that's very simple. Average function will work for the list of numbers. Average if function work for the particular condition. You should know the range and criteria and average range. That's are the three arguments. In this case we have range, that's the months, and criteria we are looking for month. Average ranges for temperature. So see you in the next time, guys. Bye.